Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change order number in WooCommerce sequential order number. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize your order numbering system to better align with your business needs or make your orders easier to track and manage. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site so you have access to all the necessary settings and plugins. Once you're logged in, we'll need to install a specific plugin that will give us control over the order numbering. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded list of options will appear from these options. Click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugins library where you can browse and install new functionality for your site. Now you'll be on the plugins page where you can see all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here's where we find the tool we need. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in sequence order from the results that appear. Look for the one called sequential order number for WooCommerce. Before installing, you might want to click on more details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This helps ensure it's exactly what you need. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let it finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see a button that says Activate. Go ahead and click on it to enable the plugin on your site. After you click Activate, your page will refresh automatically. This is normal and means the plugin is now active and ready to use. Now look at your left navigation panel again and click on WooCommerce. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can configure various aspects of your WooCommerce store. On the settings page, take a look at the top tab menu. You'll notice the newly added plugin now appears as one of the options. Click on Sequential Order Number. This is where all the magic happens. From this section, you can fully customize and change the order number format in your WooCommerce orders. You'll see options for format, order number length, and start number. Take your time adjusting these settings to match exactly what you need for your business. Whether you want to start from a specific number, add prefixes, or change the length, all these options are right here at your fingertips. Once you've customized and changed the order number settings to your liking, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This is crucial because it ensures all your modifications are retained and applied to future orders. Your WooCommerce store will now use your new sequential order numbering system, making order management cleaner and more professional. And that's it. You've successfully changed the order number in WooCommerce sequential order number, giving you complete control over how your orders are numbered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.